In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make SteamVR less laggy. Whether you're diving into an immersive game or working in a VR environment, experiencing lag can be frustrating and detract from your overall experience. So let's jump right in and get your system running smoothly with these simple steps. First, open your Steam app on your computer. This is where we'll begin our journey to a smoother VR experience. Once you have Steam open, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Just click on the login button at the top right corner. Next, enter your account name and password. Take a moment to ensure you're entering the correct details, as a simple typo can prevent you from gaining access. After entering your credentials, click on the sign in button. Now this step should take you to your Steam homepage. Once there, direct your attention to the library tab. Your library contains all the games and software you have access to, including SteamVR. We're going to make a few adjustments here. Navigate through your library and locate SteamVR. Once you've found it, right click on the title to open a context menu. From this menu, you'll select Properties. Within Properties, you'll find several tabs that help configure the settings for SteamVR. For now, let's head over to the Betas tab. The Betas tab is crucial. This is where you can opt into various beta programs that Steam offers. Here, we're looking to select the Beta SteamVR Beta Update. Opting into the beta version can provide updates and features that aren't yet available in the standard release, often optimizing performance and reducing lag. Once you've selected the beta option, the system may take a moment to download and apply the updates, so be patient. When that process is complete, you're ready for the final step. Launch SteamVR to see the effects of the changes. This straightforward process usually helps in smoothing out various performance issues by applying the latest optimizations before they're rolled out in the stable release. It's an ongoing commitment from SteamVR to enhance functionality and improve user experience, ensuring your virtual reality engagements are as seamless and glitch-free as possible. In conclusion, we went through a few easy steps: opening Steam, logging in, accessing your library, and opting into the beta updates for SteamVR. Doing so should substantially decrease lagging issues, giving you far better performance and making your VR experience more enjoyable. That's all for today's guide. Feel free to revisit any of these steps as often as needed until you achieve the performance you desire. Thanks for tuning in and happy exploring in your virtual worlds.